So if we are having difficulty getting to sleep and we've shut down our computer for the last 2 hours of the night, are there herbs that can help? And yes, there certainly are. Passion flower is a favourite of mine. The Latin is Passiflora incarnata. It has this really elaborate flower, and there are literally hundreds of Passiflora species, and they are such a joy to grow and see, and they're all different colours and they're all different shapes and sizes, and it's quite magical. So if you get into passion flower as a gardener, you're going to have a lot of fun, and it is very easy to grow. You can even grow it from the fruits. You can buy the fruits in the market and sow the seed it found in the fruit and get passion flower coming out of it. I've done it so many times. So it's a climbing plant, and it climbs away, and it grows in many parts of the world. So it's a real go-to for not just sleep, but general anxiety disorder, anxiety, panic attacks, palpitations, any kind of stress. It really lowers everything, and it's a good pain reliever. So it's not just, going to sleep, but it is also really good for insomnia and sleep difficulties. It's a long-term herb. It's not something you can use only at short amounts of time. You can keep going with passion flower day in, day out, year in, year out. There is no issue, no contraindications, which is wonderful. It's also antispasmodic, and that's partly its pain relief factor, and we use the flower and then the leaves, just the lower leaves, so we wouldn't necessarily choose all the foliage, just the leaves sitting below the flowers.